On April 8, 2020, 12 level 0 tornadoes swept through Hamilton County, Ohio. The high-speed winds damaged 86 areas, leaving Charter Communications customers without power or service. In a time when Wi-Fi has become a necessity, service needed to be restored quickly. The company called on their long-term relationship with Davie Resource Group for help. Because the poles Charter Communication uses for their telecommunication lines are owned by various electric utilities, Davie had to wait for them to be repaired before they could begin their work. Working with 3 other contractors, Davie crews helped repair the lines quickly. After only 4 days, 83 out of 86 areas had service restored. By April 14th, Davie Resource Group restored communication services to all 86 areas of Hamilton County. The quick response was thanks in part to Davie's well-trained and dedicated staff, working around the clock to restore service in a time-sensitive situation. Let us show you the power of Davie Utilities Solutions.